2 of our review, or page number 2. Systems of 3 variables, you really have your choice. You can solve using any method. I myself would use inverses. Okay, so that's how I will show them. Just kind of the quickest way. If you want to use algebra and challenge yourself, you are certainly welcome to do that. You can always check to see if you get the same answers. Okay, so for the most part, it's pretty simple and straightforward. Again, you are going to set up your A matrix and your B and solve for x. A is always your x, y, and z. So you need to be careful. X is going to be 1, 2, and 4. -1, -1, 2, 1, 5, and -1. Solving for the matrix X, and B is what we're equal to, is -3, 4, and 2. Again, name of the game, A inverse B. Okay, when you do that, you should get -1, 4, and 2. And just know that that means the answer is x is -1, y is 4, and 2 is z. A little more work for B, but same idea. So 3 matrices, 2 matrices really. But you need to be careful. We do not have x in this first column. Okay, so really your matrix is going to be 1, -1, and 0, followed by 1, 3, and 5. And lastly, 1, 2, and 1. X equals your B matrix, 3, -8, and 2. A inverse B, and that gives you 5, 1, -3. X, Y, and Z. So let's check out this last one here. Even pretty simple. 2, 1, -4, -5, 1, and 6, -1, 3, and 6. It's A. And your B matrix, 17, 19. -20. Again, the biggest thing is making sure, one, you do a inverse B, and 2, that you plug the matrices in correctly. So this one you actually get fractions for, making it a little nastier. -4 thirds, -17 thirds, and also 26 thirds. Okay, so that's why matrices can be especially useful, is because, and when it comes to fractions, a lot of times students are a little uncomfortable, but matrices take care of them right away. Really quickly down below, use the given matrices to evaluate. Again, use your calculator. Now, it's not all that hard to do by hand, but if you use your calculator, you'll see that really you're just typing this whole statement in. Okay, so 2a plus b, you should get the answer 5, 1, 7, and -6. 3 c minus 3b, So really, it's like taking your matrix C, -6, 8, 10, and 15, and subtracting 3 times your B matrix, 3, 5, -1, and 0. Okay, that's what's going on. But really, you get the answer of simply -15, -7, 13, 15. So pretty similar name and game. C is not possible. Now, why is it not possible? Okay, because your calculator told you so isn't exactly the best answer. A is a 2 by 2, and D is a 2 by 3. To add and subtract, again, you need the same dimensions. Okay, same dimensions are needed for that one. D and E is also not possible if you're taking a 2 by 3 times a 2 by 3. Why is it not possible? These two numbers are not equal. Columns don't equal the rows in the second. Okay, so this one's not defined. The rest you should get answers for, and I will put those more formally on the regular printed study guide. But again, don't be afraid if you have not error questions that are not possible. Okay, determinant, that's all in your calculator. Again, determinant of matrix A. Now, you can do 2 by 2s with the cross product. I showed that quickly. 3 times 1 minus -2 times 4. So this was 3 plus 8. You should get 11. But you can also use your calculator specifically for these ones here. 3 by 3s. They're more involved. This one should be, it looks like 4 minus 10 or -6. Okay, you should have -54 for this guy, and you should get -75 for this lady here. Okay, Cramer's rule is next here. I will provide you with Cramer's rule again. You do need 3 matrices for these 2 by 2s. You need the coefficient matrix of x and y. You need the matrix where you're solving for x. And you need the matrix where you're solving for y. And it's all about finding their determinants. So this one will be 3, 2, -4, and 5. This one here, if you're solving for x, you replace x with the answer column, -13, and looks like -4 and 5. And if you're solving for y, you replace that column, 3, 2, -15, 13. So those I'm going to need to find the determinant of each. Oops. Okay, so the determinant of A, the determinant of B, and the determinant of C. A's determinant is 23. B's determinant is -1. Actually, sorry, it is -23. negative 23. And C's determinant is 69. Now that means X is really negative 23 divided by 23. And Y is 69 divided by 23. X equals negative 1. Y equals 3. Okay, remember that X is determinant of B over determinant of C, and Y is determinant of, A of C over determinant of A. Okay, determinant of A, determinant of A, determinant A. Determinant B, and determinant C, determinant C. Okay. Using Cramer's rule for this one is pretty similar again. You should get 4 and negative 2. Cramer's rule will be provided for you in one way or another. So don't worry about remembering so much. Again, this is like your letter A, this is B, this is C, this is D, this is E, and that's F. All that is given to you.